Good morning, children. Today I am going to start your class with this chapter, The Incident at the French Camp, which I had sent you all a recitation yesterday with the explanation of the chapter. Now, when I take your live classes, I will go through the chapter properly and I'll explain you all. Okay. Now, before that, as days are going by and your exams are going on, we will not take lots of pressure upon us. We will only be doing the first 4 questions. Just see here. When I go down, just see about the poet and here about the poem. Now, when you start writing down the chapter, first what will you write? You will write down the first 15 lines from the poem. 15 line means, see here. If you write, out twixt the battery smokes there flew, a rider bound on bound, full galloping, nor bridle drew, until he reached the mound. If you write till here, then there's a full stop there and an ending comes up. So you all are going to write till there. Okay. So how many lines? I think it's about 17 to 18 lines. Okay. So please write down there till mound in your copies first. Okay. If you can, you will draw this picture which is there. Okay. Just a pen picture is enough in your copies. So the first page with the poem, with the name written down on the top and then the poem like this. Okay. Then after that you all are going to write down the meanings which you have here. Yonder, at a distance, prone, downwards, battery smokes, smoke coming from the cannons, bridle, noose, strap, the same thing, the strap of the horse. Anon means soon. Vans, here it means wings. And sheets, sheets means wraps or envelopes. Okay. Now just see, when we come up here, the meanings are done in the second page. Okay. Now when we come up here, you will write down some spellings which I have marked for you. See the first one, French. Second, Ratisbon. Third, Mount. Fourth, Napoleon. Fifth, oppressive. Sixth, lands. When I come down here, you will find grace, that is number 7. Emperor and grace, 7 and 8, whichever you write first. Okay. Down there, Marshall, number 9. Number 10, flashed. Number 11, eaglet, and number 12 will be Robert Browning. Okay. Then spellings of these 13 spellings of these words you all are going to write down. Okay, children. So spellings and meanings done. Okay. Now see here, when I come down to the first question, take the correct answer we will do in our live class. Okay. Take the correct answer might come in your exams also. Now see here. Answer these questions. Number 1. How does the poet describe Napoleon's feelings? Napoleon, we see a lot of feelings in Napoleon because his feelings are changing. Okay. First of all, he is very happy because he had won victory over Ratisbon. Second, when he saw that his soldier who had fought to bring the victory was injured and was going to die. So there are changes in his feelings. Now what will we write? Please note it down. Okay. Napoleon was very much delighted by the news of his victory. He reflected an expression of joy just for a moment. But very quickly, his feelings changed. In fact, he had noticed and showed concern about his soldier who had got wounded in the war. So this is the answer. Okay, you'll just stop my video, move back and write down properly. This is answer number 1. Okay. Now question number 2. Why does the young soldier hold the horse's mane? Answer. Okay. The rider was in a hurry to convey the news of victory to the Emperor Napoleon before his death. Full stop. He knew that he did not have much time left. Thus we find that he held the horse's mane and rode very fast in order to convey the good news to Napoleon. Okay. Now question number 3. Napoleon's expressions changed quickly after hearing the news of his victory. And then after looking at the soldier's wounds, how was the poet described this change? So, Napoleon was standing on a mound. This is the answer. Okay, children. Napoleon was standing on a mound with neck out thrust, legs wide apart, arms locked behind, and with a balanced, prone eyebrows, because he was concerned about the news which he is going to get. On hearing the news of victory, a sparkle of joy and satisfaction came to Napoleon's eyes. But on seeing his wounded soldier, Napoleon's eyes became soft as a mother eagle's eyes. Full stop. These are the various changes of expressions that we find reading the poem The Incident at the French Camp. Okay. Now question number 4. Okay, question number 4 we will be doing next day. Okay. So question number 1, 2 and 3 with spellings, meanings and the poem. Because your exams are going on, do not write. We need not write so much. The next questions we will be doing next day. Okay, children. So this much. Just see here the poem Till Mound. Okay. The meanings, the spellings which I have marked in the book. Okay. The meanings from here. And then question number 1, 2 and 3. Number 4 to 8, I will do it next date for you. Okay. Thank you.